Okay, so check this out. It's so easy how you can earn money. Now, don't wait for me to send you giveaway because I can only send a week so many giveaways or a month. And there are many comments, and thank you so much for everybody who leave a comment. And many times people will say, Phil, what about me? What about me? Look, I can only pick up lucky winners few a month and I can send you some money for free. But these guys right here, what they're doing is they're going to give 6,000 bucks, almost 6,000 bucks every week. Also here for riding, they're going to give you 8,000 bucks a week, and also weekly if you refer some people. So there are many ways how to win here, and all you need to do is just click 3 times per day. Every day, go there, do the clicks, type something for 10 minutes, and you can have a chance, huge chance to win money. Why? Because there are only few people right now there who is doing the same thing. Till this grow up, the chance will be very small. But for the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, you have a huge opportunity to win money. So don't freaking say, I didn't tell you, I didn't tell you. So who they are, this is Serator, okay? So let me show you how you can win money. So this is the website. I did interview these guys. I'm going to leave down the link in the description in Dubai. I did, it was just a few months ago. There you go, I find the video right here, Serator real crypto review live from Dubai, okay, 3 months ago. And I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste under the video so you can watch the video. But there are many things are changing right now. It's so simple. So all you need to do is very simple. So check this out. First thing first, make sure you understand that here is financial advice. Do your own research. Never ever put more money you can afford to lose. This crypto you can lose everything. So you need to understand that. Now all you need to do is first click the link, get registered. Once you get registered, you come into this page. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go and upvote. So how you can upvote? You go to latest, okay? And here you can verify it or unverify or all. So they are post every day. So you need to upvote. Like example right here, go and upvote, write down your feedback. Make sure you read the article, okay? And just write down something, connect with the article. Why do you like, what do you think, and all that stuff. So go and do 3 upvotes per day. This is going to take you 1 minute per upvote. That's mean all total to log in is going to take you with the writing down 3 or 4 minutes, okay? So if you don't have 3 minutes per day, shame on you, all right? So go there, upvote 3. You can only do 2 to 3 upvotes per day. You picking up points. More points you pick up, more chance to get a weekly win, all right? Win price. I'm going to meet this team again in Token 2049 in Singapore next month, and I'm going to do live interview again. So next thing what you need to do is you need to go and create. So this will be changed here. Very simple. Will be only 2 options. But till it's changed, I think will be changed tomorrow. So what you need to do is you can write down review. So first you need to upvote. Once 5 people click on your post, okay, after that, then you're going to be verified, okay? So you can upvote, you can only do that, or you can upvote and also do review. If you're doing reviews, you can get more points. You can post once a week, once a day, once every 2-3 days, once a month, do whatever you want. I don't care. So you can write down review for whatever you want. Okay, make sure you don't put referral links. You can post about anything you want, any tokenomics. So make sure if you post some article, if you copy paste, make sure you explain in your own way. Don't just copy paste because they'll kick you out. So make sure you do little work here. So this can take you good 10, maybe 15 minutes per week. Okay, so if you don't have 3 minutes per day or extra 15 minutes per week to win a huge prizes of almost 10-15K every single week, well, I don't know what to say. I really don't know. So go there, click the link, get freaking registered, and start upvoting. I'm going to start from tomorrow. Every day, that's my thing. Get in, write down 3 articles, get out. Write down some article and upvote three times and write down some article. Okay, so that's about it. Leave me a comment and let me know if you get in using my link or not. And maybe you will get giveaway from myself. Maybe I will choose a lucky giveaway for the people who got in. And I will check in my referrals and I will choose few of you. All right, you never know when CryptoPhil going to give you again giveaway. So use the link, get registered, and I'm also going to send to a couple of people some money in the next few days or maybe a couple of weeks who use my link because I can see you right here. All right, thank you so much. I should see you in the next one.